Hey everyone, today we're going to be diving into this kitchen essential, which is this cutting board made from Virginia Boy's Kitchen. This cutting board is made in the USA and it's made of 100% sustainable walnut wood grown here in America. It's got a highlight craftsmanship. As you can see here, the cutting board looks absolutely amazing compared to other cutting boards I've used before. And it just helps that we're supporting our country by supporting small businesses like this one here. This cutting board does come pre-seasoned. As you can see, it looks a bit dry, but that's how it's supposed to be. But it is pre-seasoned with a proprietary blend of pure fractionated coconut oil. And it's also free from any unnatural ingredients. So it's making it ready for your use when it comes to cutting things in your kitchen. We have the grains and the texture which make it so it won't dull your knife when you're actually cutting into this board. It's going to make it smooth and efficient when cutting it with your knife. It's made to last as well. So the thickness and sturdiness of this board, as you can see, is made of very high quality walnut wood. And it's also reversible in terms of usage. This board is made to last. It's not gonna warp, it's not gonna crack, it's not gonna splint if you properly maintain it. So speaking of properly maintenance, okay, when you first get this board, what you wanna do is that you wanna season it regularly. So what we're looking to actually do is actually add oil to this board and have the oil sit on the entirety of the board for as long as possible, or like a couple of hours. In addition, after it's done oiling, you want to wax your board. So you can apply a board wax to this cutting board to make sure it maintains and lasts. When it comes to using the board and after using the board is pretty self-explanatory. It's not going to make it to be dulling your knife. After you're done using it, what you want to do is wash it with mild soap and never submerge this underwater, and also never put it in the dishwasher either. But with this maintenance stage, as far as making sure that this board lasts as long as possible, you do have to make sure that you care for it and maintain it. So this is going to be great for daily meal prep. I have the 10x16 version. It's going to care for your knives as well. So if you care about your knives and you don't want to dull them, this board is going to help with that as well. And lastly, it's a sustainable choice, okay? So you're basically having the environmental benefits of choosing a cutting board made from sustainable hardwood. That's all I have as far as this cutting board goes. Things I really like about it is that it does last quite a while. It has a knife-friendly surface, and the materials are sustainable. So I do want to thank Virginia Boy's Kitchen for gifting me this product. I've had no problems with it whatsoever. I hope you found this review helpful.